If you've lost access to your Microsoft Teams account and don't have access to the associated email, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft Account Recovery page. Go to the official Microsoft Account Recovery page. This is where you can initiate the recovery process for your account. Step 2. Enter your account information. Input your Microsoft Teams account username or phone number linked to your account. This helps Microsoft identify your account for recovery. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Select the recovery method you prefer. If you don't have access to your email, you may be able to receive a verification code via SMS to a registered phone number. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using the code sent to your phone. This step is crucial for ensuring that you are the rightful owner of the account. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your Microsoft Teams account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Microsoft Teams account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.